H is for helicopter, helicopter. C is for car, D is for dolphin, dolphin. D is
Hi
for
there.
dolphin.
In this video, I'm going to show you how people are making fun and educational ABC rhyming videos for kids using AI and how you can do it too. Even you are getting started. This type of videos get tons of views because they are fun, catchy, and perfect for kids to watch again and again. Let's walk through the full process together. Step 1. Generate the rhyming with ChatGPT. We'll start with ChatGPT. You just give it a simple prompt like write an alphabet rhyme for kids, and it will create a fun musical style rhyme video for you. The prompt. Even better, it also tells you what kind of music styles fits the lyrics and gives you ideas for visuals to go with each line. You can also switch it up and ask for songs about numbers, animals, fruits, vegetables, or emotions. It's super flexible. You will find the exact prompt what I use in the video description. Step 2. Turn the rhyme into a song. Go to suno.com, register, sign up with your email. It's free. Paste the lyrics you got from ChatGPT into the custom lyrics section here. Then add the music instructions that GPT gave you. Click create and boom, you'll get the two versions of your song. Pick your favorite one and download it.
C is for cat with the happy purr. D is for dog with the wagging fur. E is for elephant, big and
Now step 3. Make the visuals with Piclumen. Now let's make the pictures of your video. Go back to ChatGPT and ask something like that. Give me an AI image prompt for the letter A. So instead of A, you can go with B, C. You got the idea, right? Now copy that prompt, go to piclumen.com, paste it in, and generate your image. Now step 4, design with Canva. Now we will head over to canva.com, choose a video template, and upload the images you made with Piclumen, and resize. After that, we duplicate the image, then crop half of the picture. Now select the picture behind it and click on edit. We will select magic eraser tool and erase the cat from this picture. Now, on the second picture, just remove the background. Then we will animate those two images we got here. Give photorize effect on the second image with cat and give a sketch effect to the photo behind. And done. You can adjust the time. By default, it's 5 seconds, but you can make it longer or shorter as needed. Okay, so let's see some more examples of edit these animations. Okay, so here I go with C, D, and E. So this way you can edit all the pictures and animate them. So let's see how this look. And instead of brush, you can go with just click, and this way you can remove the character from here. Okay, so all our animations ready. Let's play it. Okay, pretty good. Okay, as we get our pictures and animate them and download the video. Now we just need to merge that audio and video together. We can use any video editor here, but here we're gonna use CapCut. Just add your audio, play it, and by sequence you just need to keep the visuals here from the video.
is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with the happy purr. D is for dog with the wagon of fur. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with the happy purr. D is for dog with the wagon of fur. E is for elephant, big and gray.
Even if you want, you can use Hellowe or Kira websites to animate your image. Just here upload your picture and type animate this picture, then it will animate your picture. But it's a paid and sometimes it's free, but there are some limitations you need to follow. So that's all how you can create engaging educational rhyming cartoon videos for kids, perfect for YouTube, Facebook, or anywhere else. Don't forget to check the description for the ChatGPT prompt, the Canva Pro free deals. So like the video, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. Do you want more videos like this? So thank you for watching. Have a good day.